This is what not to do during a lightning storm. Now, I'm going to give you some quick demonstrations, but I'm not going to be doing them. He's going to be doing them. This is my assistant. He's going to show you what not to do during a lightning storm. Say hi, assistant.
Hi. That's good. Play with nunchucks. Shave. Play on a swing set like this one. Whee! Riding a pony! The white pony! Playing rock band! Shot through the heart, and you're to blame, darling. You give love a bad name.
Now, this is the only thing that's allowed to be done during a lightning storm.
Reading fine literature,
Such as this title right here.
I'd never given much thought to how I would die. Thought I'd had reason enough in the last few months, but even if I had, I would have not imagined it like this. Sure, it was a good way to die in a place of someone else, someone I love, noble even. That ought to count for something. When Isabella Swan moves to the gloomy town of Forks and meets the mysterious, alluring Edward Culling, her life takes a thrilling and terrifying turn. With his porcelain skin, golden eyes, mesmerizing voice, and supernatural gifts, Edward is both irresistible and impenetrable. Up until now, he manages to keep his true identity hidden. But Bella is determined to uncover his dark secret. What Bella doesn't realize is in the closer she gets to him, the more she is putting herself and those around her at risk. And it might be too late to turn back. Deeply seductive.
Now you've seen what not to do during a lightning storm. Thank you for partaking in this journey with me. We'll see you next time.
The war's finally over.